Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Everything Crypto here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to purchase Buff Doge Coin. Alright, let's get started. So, you guys are going to want to go ahead and go on your guys' mobile device. From there, you guys are going to want to open your guys' web browser, and then from there, you guys are going to go on this website called CoinGecko. Alright, so on the search bar, we're going to go ahead and type in Buff Doge. It's going to be the second one right here. Once we click on this, as you guys can see on this website, it tells you the statistics, and if you guys scroll down, it tells you how it's been doing for like the past 30 days, the past 2 weeks, the past week, up to the past hour. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and scroll up, and right where it says show info, go ahead and click on that. And right where it says contract, we're gonna go ahead and click on the little two boxes right next to the wolf. So by doing that, it's basically copying that address, the specific address, onto your guys' device. Next, we're gonna go on this website called PancakeSwap. It's basically the website where you're gonna go ahead and convert one of your coins and convert it into the Buff Doge Coin. For the wallet that I'm gonna be using, the Trust Wallet app. That's also another app you're gonna have to download. So right when you guys download the app, or if you guys already have it, go ahead and click on the wallet, connect wallet on the top corner. There's gonna be three options. It's gonna give you the option to connect it through Wallet Connect, Trust Wallet, or MetaMask. I'm going to be using the Trust Wallet, but in order for you guys to do that, you guys have to make sure you guys click on Wallet Connect. And then from there, you guys are going to see the icon where it says Trust, which is the Trust Wallet. Go ahead and click on that. And then it's going to go ahead and direct you over to the app. And from here, you're going to go ahead and click on Connect. Once that's done, you're just going to go ahead and go back to your guys' web browser. And you guys can see on the top right corner, you guys are going to see a little wallet with a little arrow down. That means it's connected. Alright, so on the bottom, you guys are going to see four icons where it says trade, earn, win, and NFT. We're going to go ahead and click on the trade icon. As you guys can see, right where it says where it says BNB, as it shows that I have a balance of 0.003. That's just another way that you guys can tell that I have connected my wallet. And then right where it says select currency, we're going to go ahead and click on that. And right where it says search, we're going to go ahead and click on paste, which is we're pasting the address that we copied earlier from the other website. So go ahead and click on paste. And as you guys can see, it shows Dogecoin appears, Buff Dogecoin. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And since I have a small amount of BNB coins, I can't really, it won't let me put a mag. So I'm going to go ahead and type it in manually. So 0.003, which is estimated to be about 24 million coins. And you guys are going to also make sure you guys have the correct slippage. So right where it says on the little tools icon, go ahead and click on that. I have already set it as 12, but usually it appears as 1, but you guys are going to want to make sure that it's set at 12. So go ahead and exit that out. And then after that's done, you guys are going to go ahead and click on the swap button. And then we're going to go ahead and click on confirm swap. And it's going to go ahead and direct us to our wallet. Since I don't have enough BNB, it's not going to let the transaction go through, because I guess 0.003 is worth $1.78 at the moment. And as you guys can see, the network fee is pretty cheap compared to other fees. It's only worth 62 cents. But right where it says a top up smart chain, normally it would say confirm purchase. So let's say if I click confirm purchase, it would purchase it, and usually your funds would appear right away within a few seconds. And as you guys can see, I already own Buff Dogecoin. I own about 40 billion coins. But one thing you guys have to make sure is that if you guys purchase it for the first time, it would not appear in your guys' wallet. In order for it to become visible, you guys would have to go on the top right corner, where it has those two little dots, and you guys would have to manually type it in. So right where it says the Buff Dogecoin, I already have it turned on because I own it. But normally it would not appear. And as you guys see, I turned it off so it doesn't show the balance or how many coins I own of Buff Dogecoin. So go ahead and type on that again, and go ahead and type in Buff Dogecoin, and I would have to toggle it on. So as you guys can see, it's back on my wallet. And in the future, let's say if you guys wanted to go ahead and profit off of it and sell it, you guys would do the same process. You guys would go back onto the PancakeSwap, connect your guys' wallet, and it's basically the same thing, just backwards. So right where it says BNB, you guys can actually go ahead and click on and type in Buff Dogecoin. Buff, and click on that, and then you guys would basically be converting it back to BNB. Once you guys convert that, you guys can go ahead and transfer your guys' BNB to another wallet, and then from that wallet, you guys are gonna send it over to another app where you guys can go ahead and collect your guys' bank account and then transfer it over to your guys' bank. which I'll show you guys in another video. So I'm gonna go back to my Trust Wallet. So yeah, that's basically how you actually purchase a Buff Doge Coin. I'm new to this YouTube channel, and I'm learning as I go. I'm learning about how cryptocurrency works and how to purchase cryptocurrencies. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you guys purchase Buff Dogecoin. I hope this video was useful. If you guys have any questions or anything, or if you guys want to learn about how to purchase other coins, just can go ahead and leave them in the comments below. So yeah, I hope, like I said, I hope this video was useful, and yeah, I hope you guys have a good one. All right, thanks.